5 tips to prepare for knee replacement surgery.
Yes.
And tip number 1 is get your home ready, which is huge.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So tell us about getting your home ready. Some things like what, Cindy?
Right. So you're going to most likely come home on some type of adaptive equipment, probably a walker.
Yep.
So you want to widen the pathways, make
Yep.
sure your pathways to your bedroom, your comfy chair, to the bathroom, they are all wide enough for a walker.
Yep.
Worst case scenario, a wheelchair.
Yep.
We want to clear cords. We want to clear clutter.
Mm-hmm.
We want to make sure that the pathways are very well lit, especially to the bathroom at night.
Okay.
So that's just, preparing to make sure that you're going to be able to get around that house as easily as possible, because it's not going to be easy, because you'll just have surgery, but you want to make it as easy as possible and as safe as possible.
And so one thing I'd like to add would be to make sure that things that you might use frequently, now that you know your mobility is going to be impaired for a little bit, make sure you get those things that you use a lot out.
Yes.
And where you could easily access them.
Yes, so get them up at hip height or a little bit above. You don't want to have to be bending over for things.
Right.
Unless, if it's something you absolutely have to, you need to get yourself a reacher.
Yeah.
But yeah, you want everything about, chest or
countertop
hip,
height.
Countertop height.
Yeah, so put it out on the countertop in the bathroom. Put your stuff, towels and whatever. Put them on, put them on the countertop.
Right.
In the kitchen, put things that you might have to reach, down or up to get.
Right.
Put it out on the countertop.